Here we go, upper Niagara River. Driving up the Breakwall. Giant ice storm, windstorm, 60-mile-an-hour winds. Lake Erie. These waves are huge today. It's just unbelievable out here. Staying on the bike path, four-wheel drive. Upper Niagara River, Fort Erie, Ontario. It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable weather here on Lake Erie today. Upper Niagara, Fort Erie, Ontario. 60-mile-an-hour winds in Niagara Parkway. This breakwall's been here for a long time. It's doing its job. If you ever get the chance, take a walk. Take a look down here. It's something to definitely see. You'll never see something like this too often. 60 miles an hour, gusting. I'm gonna get off here right now. That's it, that's the breakwall. It's the pathway down. It's a beautiful walk, a nice bike ride. Take your pets. You gotta stay off here with the snowmobiles in the winter. You're not really allowed to drive on here. But today, high winds, dirty weather, nobody's on this path. I stayed right on it, I didn't go off it. Four-wheel drive, not gonna get stuck. There you go. That's the breakwall. Fishing Niagara. Facebook and Twitter. Going to be traveling all over the States this year. Cabela's NWT. Cabela's MWC. FLW Bass. A little bit of everything. If you get a chance, get out there and go fishing. Here's some geese. Check it out. I'm going to be back on dry land in a second. There you go. Right here, a dangerous snowmobile accident. Somebody crashed into this. That's why you got to be very careful, guys. Don't be stupid. There's some ducks right there. That's where the breakwall starts, right there. That's where you can start fishing. Do it all the way down. You want to fish here at nighttime, you're going to get walleye like you would not believe. Great spot for muskie, right off these rocks. Trout fishing all the way up. Same with walleye. Okay, I think that's it. There's the roundhouse. Summer's coming soon. Good luck.